Hey guys, welcome back. I'm still at Monroe Park for a second flight. This time we have the Fimi X8 Tele. So I'm ready to fly, guys. I'm just going to get that screen recording going. Start. And there we go. And enter the... Oh, wait now. Wait now. I'm sure I was on the right drone. Yeah, Tele. Enter device. Okay, we are going to have to format the SD card. Format succeeded. And we will pop it on video. I'm going to check those options. 4K 30, high quality, HDR is on, white balance is auto. We have it on H.265, everything looks good. Let's start recording and auto takeoff. I need no phone, guys. My phone screen on the left side is getting a little iffy. Just get her up here. I'm going to leave it sit for a moment, make sure it's stable. Yeah, she's perfect. Let's give it a little spin, make sure it has a nice GPS lock. Oh yeah, it really holds position good. And we will put our camera down a little bit. And up and out, guys. Oh, that sun sucks when it's in your eyes. It's pretty fast. I'm in normal mode. We're gonna put it in that sport, and there's Cine. It's even sport in normal mode. It's fast in normal mode. I mean, sport in normal mode. It's a decent drone, guys. Just range was crap. And I am, how far am I? 200, just about 300 meters. Signal is almost full bars. A 4 out of 5 bars. We're just about 400 meters now. I don't remember it being this good out this area. But then again, it always happened when I went to turn and come back. Let's get it to the 500 meter mark and we'll see. We're only 50 meters up in a climb now. We're just hit the 500 meter mark, guys. I'm still almost full bars. But we're going to turn, see if it starts to lose signal. Drop to 3, back to 4. Still white, not hitting the yellow. It's actually a lot better here today. And I haven't updated this drone. I don't know what's going on now. It's just experienced a slight little bit of lag there. If I use the screen recording in the video, guys, you'll see it. I had it happen twice right in a row, just very quick. And once on the way out, just when I about hit the shore there. Let's actually have a look here. Show you guys, this is the yacht club. We will zoom in. It's 5 times. So they hold dances and whatnot in there. We go in and drink. Wow. You can pick everything out on the roof with the zoom. You can tell when that tele camera switches. bringing it back in. We'll get close to the shore here. We'll zoom in on the ferry back there. See how good the zoom is. See if we can see the other side way out at the point. There's a lighthouse down there, and I think that's new Waterford. Maybe not. Let's get the camera up, and we'll zoom in. Rate to 30 times. Come on, turn. There we go. Yeah, there's a lighthouse. That camera up. So it's pretty good, guys, to be able to see that freaking far. That's a long ways away. That's miles. That's miles away. There's how far it is. It's a wicked camera. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Fly a little bit more here before we end this. Just want to make sure there's nobody here. On a 77% battery. If it was legal to fly this one across, guys, I would, but over the weight limit. Actually, if I had the strobes on, I could, but it'd have to be pretty close to dusk to be able to see all the strobes. We've got to get some new ones too. Ones I have are starting to get a little dull, and batteries are starting to crap out. So just a little circle me here before we end this flight. We are just about 6.5 minutes in. That camera up. Just pulling a slow circle me, guys, and we're gonna end this. I'm gonna pop out and grab a thumbnail pic. Call it quits for today. Just wheel this around and I'll bring it out and get our thumbnail. Get a nice view around the area. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to stop there, move it out, and get a thumbnail pic. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's flight. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, leave a like, and a comment. Make sure those notifications are on, guys, so you don't miss these videos. And until the next one, peace and out.